anokonwa no de hyenkom we yalo enye yibia enye nkom Yesu ntisoro
Addo di nyamye yeri frewo. Addo di nyamye yeri frewo. Ebusianfo, Bible say, when a man's ways please the Lord, he makes even his enemies to be at peace with him. It cannot be. When a man's ways please the Lord, he makes his enemies be at peace with him. Where the adodin yakupo munem. Oma onwana tanfo e praise no. Eka testimony. Yeah. Who would have ever thought? Say, Mamia, your friend Vimlady, Afia Pokua. Pokua, I say Pokua. See, someone told me a Pokua. A Pokua, and I say Pokua. But I'm mutual conversation, I don't know. Say a Pokua, mutual one, a Pokua, mutual two. I will see, I know that the right pronunciation. But Vimlady, and net of President Akufo say Akufo with giant legacy. I free senior square legacy. Hey, Ghana journalist. Hey. Ila. And then Ghana journalists are admitting say Akufo has left a legacy. A good legacy. And a Vimlady Susanka say, Owusu Bempah, prophet no. Say, Azan or ye, chacha no ye. Me na make our video nemo. Nyami o mi de misro. O si wa ho a otumi mo say we be win say we win. Hey! Ghana. Hey, enti pasa mu nyina mu nta na mu nyina mu nim nukre no. Hey! Ti mu nyina mu na mu nim nukre no. And the other na mu kamu no tum. Adena say mutan MPP nkwa anu no a MPP mutan nkwa na mu kama no tum ana seden ana say MPP ayemu boni bi MPP ayemu boni bi because the way you people were all quiet and it was like NPP was an evil party. MPP was messing everything up. Now you me dream when I'm in Tiasie and then we for the moa manu na modika the praise Akufo. Hey, and then when we say Osofo bi wo a psycho na mubo. For in that same venue solo or who still be a was show no so anipa no beka say our Dr. George or developmental economist our University of Ghana Legon. Beka say Ghana for dodo na according to research. Dodo na majority of Ghanaians want Dr. Bawumia to be the next president. Research from the University of Ghana. Majority of Ghanaians want Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Digital Bawumia, to be the next Omampeni of this nation. All those videos are up next. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
Where to go? But for now, President Mama Netia Kunyano so. Until 4 years, no, I was saying. Me say 4 years, President Mama and Kasa catch them more. Mudidi Bawumia term on digitization, some general form. Now no call UN go for so good speech. Hey, good speech they attribute. And a good speech they can brofo and cananado. Hey, one on the brofo and nana no to me can brofo my brofo cry a bomb musem. What to me can brofo and another there to can for bro. She knew cananado can back or can brofo. My government. Hey, and then your brofo sem. Beyond the United Nations speeches, no Professor Bako can say, yeah, brofo no. They enko on the ground yeah, a champon by a champon ki cabrofo, but we see down so man. A champon ki cabrofo, but I am near exporting a bro, a champon ki cabrofo, but a champon no see hospitals. A champon was working, rolling to cry next time. It was like, hey, Zamina Watiwa, it was boots on the ground. So beyond the brofono, we must do the needful, the catch of man for say, a honey air bushy president mama, and say, Jumana kind 24-hour economy, saying, big push, saying, job for the boys, saying, Mamma yet to say, oh, any a bar, a youth employment, no be a piano crop for no be a dicatra, someday we come back to square one. Debbie. We want to see long-term solutions. 24-hour economy no so nebe boying amaye solutions. So enti na ya me ya de bia me kase me ya NDC say they will not continue President Akufo Addo 1D1F no. Ghana tika na edi kan kom dada. Enti senka wo ye ya nka 1D1F no. Now the 24-hour economy ni this is the key to solving the unemployment problem. About to ya Ghana for pre omu bebrebe nyina enkofo ko wiade amrobri krono saka wane eyi FBI for aba betena ha echichi ye nkrofo ni nyina because eduma ni ho nti boys ni na ye romance scam yen create jobs, and that is where we beyond the politics. NDC ni MPP mi enuntem must marry the 24-hour economy no with a 1D1F. And politics, bring it together. The mama de me makache no anymore no any me say me de fia de me nanim na maka. Makache president mama said this is your chance to create a legacy, leave a legacy. Watchna bi wo kwa ebeka yo. Dey enu ba bia o 1 year kra man kofo be start kan Nana Akufo Addo attempt at least Nana Addo de nema bebe wa wanye ni ye. In terms of governance nema bi ame election time na me kan wa Nana Addo wo be ha ba omia se ba omia luzu na e wa ni nyina me kan e be si wa menye prophet enye Owusu Bempah line no akoka say na president popularity ko Musa dan ka research na no ko hu an de shenkom we yalo enye yi bia enye nkom Yesu ntisoro a o che political nkom she. I told you here. And ni nyina ye to abawi ani ehu say nema Nana Addo koye statue o Takrade ya to Nana Addo we ye politically suicidal o ebesi an ko hu an de shenkom we yalo enye yi bia enye nkom Yesu ntisoro a o che political nkom she. I told you here. And ni nyina ye to abawi ani ehu say nema Nana Addo koye statue o Takrade ya to Nana Addo we ye politically suicidal o ebesi wa. But at least one thing that Obiampe Nana Addo asemkra can attest to is the fact that free SHS the Nana Addo ya there. Sikano I say ye politician need be not or the be ye free SHS. And enkofo be starting bonidin. Why ye enru omu bonidin? Enti me catch president mama say leave a legacy so that obi kra so ompe wasem kra they will know say anya hwe kra you have done something. You have left something. If you na me catch him say NDC for the na America no and they jadem my word price say Musa dan kwa the report me by say NDC confusion everywhere, confusion sim atamwaba say obi ehun say how na do so say dim ketia o say den say nkofo say omo tiate de ntia abo friend say how na do so this ono no lead me wa Musa dan kwa say masa me the research na my fefe research na me here no so showing that how na do so na leading to where there enye yibia on the so manufacture he's just stating exactly what the facts are no MPP for the so MPP for the same Musa dan kwa so research no so no so chese ba omia na lead with I think 47%. Baumia is leading by 47%. I think the last time I checked, no, na Baumia leading 47%. Yeah, no, so na your last Kennedy Japan call for social montiase, untiase krawaka. I'll say omuno leading. Baumia is leading. It all the answer between now and January, no mbeko primaries, no. Yawajuma. And the young mini Nana Kanapia. Yet friend of virus and conform munim no edi omuta friend in the virus. And in Kasa near so far Baumia campaign. Are they being complacent? Say yana obisi embusa Sam George say LGBT bill no omo twen no it is Sam George say vim now dey chase DSTV for no we the same vim na LGBT no kwade aye ho adwuma wie it just go and pick it take it to parliament so Sam George twintwan Sam George twintwan enti eno so ye twen okona koye ho adwuma sa energy now dey chase LGBT yes so bill ne ba use the same vim to do that yeah it's long overdue wa na mo kan ye so eti Nanapia mama good evening ni akwaba.
Good evening, Vimlady, nice to say.
Adoma akwa na so
Nyame adaro man Mompaibo.
Fantastic. Say ba omia mo Musa dan kwa research no. Post no dey aba no.
Pacho you who and near Musa dan kwa. There are other agencies both in national international local my various pools we take a look at it, we analyze it. Yanka Sansuye internal pooling to see how we are faring as a campaign. And we marry everything. Those elections there, you take all kinds of ideas. Now they account their home, then you know the way forward. And Musa Dankwa, for giving us an idea in terms of how his people or the sample that he used and how they think that the election is going to go. So it's something that we appreciate.
Now, you are leading, you know. Does it make Baumiaka more feel comfortable and I say more say it's out of the because they are normally go for no cry. What do you feel about it? I'm passing on the ground, more feel it's a leader.
Also, our attitude towards every contest that we are going is that we go as an underdog. We are not complacent. Even if Obi Banoka said we are 90%, yes, we like I said, we also have our own internal polling that we also rely on, but we listen to what others also have to say because when you have a Nyansen never back up trim, but we are never complacent in terms of the work that we need to do to be able to secure the victory that we want in January.
It is over. What's on Amizia? Because I know the last time I checked it on Eastern region, the whole thing be a controversial region. Or the whole
and Debbie and the Ostati Greater Accra region and the Akufo share in the Greater Accra region and any change in our Greater Accra.
Okay, what was the idea behind that turn? So delegates no Mushia is going beyond delegates no.
So only party for share. Elections in January a party for the Abado. It's also occur na only mokodin komo not share omo at the frontier. I was say almost sanso to Abamano. And na osendi party name until a distre any campaign and a all party for Nasi. But omo no moye is yahine to ahine. It is what they say in January 31st, so that will determine whether he's going to lead the party or not. But so far, I would say that we are very confident in terms of the response that he's received across the country in terms of the party for Nick. And in some more catching and so
okay. And the Mambusa Eastern region issue is very controversial, no? Because there's information about say Dr. Brandon Champo say if you MPs no 15 MPs no endorse Dr. Baumiano. Omo class and for friend so must say scam. At the end was say bibi near representing bibi nyase epeno. What is asem no?
Oh, Matibi, but as a campaign, our attitude is say your MPs, members of parliament, we call them honorable members of parliament, say be omo nyankra. And I say be omo na impenyu for ma bobra enim di omo pe, yes or no. Enti menjin di say obi semiensi ameti hoi unti me force me semenka me support A and I support B. And I don't see how you'll be able to coax me. And we respect their decisions. I mean, it's not so that saying that there are more than 15 MPs. Some of them have told us so much kakra. Others have also told us, oh, we want to go with somebody else. That is totally fine. But at least 15 of them so Dr. Baumiedi, believe it, so no, the power back to MPP. And they agree with the visions and the policies that he's provided. These are people that Sebiobian Fetu and Kusi so Monye. And
Bunu East, wow, they were almost at the same level. Ahafo, now or second to Asedun Ketia. Bono, he was second to Asedun Ketia. So now Uban Bedanaji Ewene Greater Accra, he was second to Nanaji. It is now until amount in 35 point something until 36.
Okay. Like I said, in MPP there's a BBN change here. Do you even think that research there's someone there?
As I said last year, not Mahama Dini. Also, me know ye ya de Mahama Weni. Getting to the latter days, because Baumia was doing very well.
Yeah.
Now Baumia was about 49, Mahama 47. That is in Kananka. Baumia for the first time in about 20 pools Bakupe Nana Baumia 18 Edikai. And that was the last one. And so you have to about changing cry.
Yeah.
Changing cry because you control about the entire me who say change you know. After that, make confirm another research. The time who say change you know. Ghana, we have voter register now. Nipa 18.7 million no mudi wo. Yera Mahama na wa president. Emu 6.5 million per net for man.
Okay.
That is almost no. Who friend department send bia no mo qualify so mo to ababa ko pen the to abama Yera John Dramani Mahama. That is like we are crying who's on we over 1 million with over 56%. But the support no with the voter population kasa as we need support to sir.
But it also shows that bebre anto aba no bebre anto.
I want to come be kan ni nyina ne say amanfo anto aba no. Na ho mo na anto aba no. The research na me koye no kire me pefi say am MPP for na anto aba no kra. NDC
Yeah, no crasa about 2 million people were MPP for man leto.
NDC 98 out of every 100 omo ka so mo ye NDC omo to aba.
98% of NDC for to aba.
They were hungry for power. They were hungry for change, so they didn't joke at all. MPP. Omomka so we MPP now about 76 netwaba.
Okay. Antivirus, where you homework? I don't know say if you are privy to this research.
It was an Akufo 2020 onya 6.7 million. Tinena Akufo votes onya 2020 no. Say can you about me go to nya sa anka win against John Dramani Mahama.
You could not even make Akufo the total vote in 2020.
Well,
no. I don't know what is the cost. Is it due to candidate Bawumia, ne campaign strategy, party, no, and a combination of nina?
I can't say na member no. The same research na we nyina PM. Asa na member no. Me yira you know say medical can say ebusa ankrofo say kase ye to aba na man nka obeto ama no. Ma me end no with yesa busa say senka uye NDC delegate na nke se koto aba na nka beto aba ma no. Uye MPP delegate na nka beto aba ma no. Ma me wie wona memra the reason why amanfo akoto aba no. And also so yebusa say uye MPP ni a anankene so kai MPP delegate also we are ordinary Ghanaians on the street. When you are going to say no we MPP delegate I want to beto aba na man. And no o man almost NDC for no 49% kazen ko beto aba ma ira akompreko.
Oh NDC for no 49% so beto ama Canada Japan.
Come man na flag bearer. And about 43 say omo pe Bawumia. That is senka NDC for na yeko choose flag bearer ama MPP anka hands down anka yura akompreko be win. And omo smaller political parties and I say omo nya affiliated and so yebusa omo no. And also so a little over 40 e can so pe Bawumia. And era akompreko nya a little over 30%.
I see. Canada Japan is very popular among NDC supporters.
Minim the level of and also make was me back the general one make was so popular because what is hard also echo compound NDC for now omuka say onye a flag bearer so we should data ni mu a ube obi so ha tamaka say nka ye president ne ana ezi choose a bo say no obi e ba say onyisu on flag bearer and then go so pe Canada Japan. And so any pana boys na osako say e dey Bawumia. So it won't even make a conclusion this.
Okay.
But the MPP for no the ebusa wo almost 71% think on beto aba Bawumia.
Okay. Oh wow. Into Bawumia among the MPP for the Bawumia was very
overwhelming.
And NDC where?
Meba NDC. They say for net 71 Bawumia and a 21 Yura akompreko. And so
and that's a gap in the muso.
Esopa.
Wow.
Esopa. But
Shadang man of fire bebre so on campus or no any party. And then the person who a woman said Abronya den ho regional chairman to den ho, but he's Ofrimo camp. I mean yes they are all no he's it's a news to more benefit because he's attacking people from other camp in favor of Bawumia. Inti ade na muntu min calling it order. Asofo aka say this Duncan Williams munya or they akoka omo.
Uzameka say, you see, whatever you say, is the way that people receive it and feel about it. That is what becomes the issue. Lameka say, if we are having a discussion, we have to have it in a way the other person will not feel offended. And to offend will be or also or count Kasani in a way because Vimlady, me sure so when I'm fully said you show much because I said because no my master in my high five but Ushamia you won't talk to me like that. And it is the way that you make people to feel with your communication, and that is very, very important. So me I won't communicate like that.
But is he in your camp? Abronya or camp na?
On country me say about me camp.
But one camp meeting I was here no order.
Oh, Debbie. I mean, he's a regional executive.
Okay.
Me who said about meeting. I mean, we didn't quite strategy meeting there.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, that's not something that we've done before. But
now,
like I
said, when you chance, my mom catch any that's a way the chance you no. Even your chin after that, my catch no. More make it
I mean, you're too young for, and it's not just chairman Abronya. I mean, there are some of my brothers who communicate. Sometimes if you're on radio, so we best friend I catch and say, "Oh, hey, wait there, when it's on fire, okay, yeah, next time you can see and can see." But it's just a suggestion. Sebi, I can't pretend that I'm smarter or wiser than anybody else in the party. And I can just give my opinion. But I also believe that individuals have their style of communicating. And
somebody was even saying that there are two ways. Somebody only mo come, only munipa understood. Mun dissociate mo for many things he says. I don't know to me.
But Sebi,
consistently living your call. Your chini or buy your pre-custody buy. It's still creating the one I'm also lady not catch or America or say. Munye serious and a mistake mungusu ye. This is part of the mistakes that you are making. Some cause some creating division among yourselves, sir. In China, na mun dissociate more like other people. Yeah, and I'm saying, yenka hu we de nipa wa ko make comment we there. It's not the comment that reflects all of us. Suddenly, na mun dissociate more.
But I mean, also chairman Abronya ankasa no. They be ne show ba ka me hwe. Ono ankasa okan. Say masa, mo me microphone nyam na motoma mi o. Ejim nyam na metra me dia menka. And he has never stood anywhere to say I'm speaking for A or B. It's the say no only pay on meka ase me kasama. On meka ase me kamo ho. Na ukwa dissociate you for afahenfa. You see, as a family, the betimi aya ne say ye betimi atu ye ho for. Say, let's not hurt each other. That's all. Let's not hurt each other, because at the end of the day, say if me podcast na me kasa na Vimlady as I could sign the program, so I dissociate myself from virus. Me fa home.
But obi send message say say mo call asante him ye no na abronye diba omi achi e no mo call ye no. Nti oni mo camp a odiba omi achi ye den. And Oshia no ye na say abonte wan odi na chi.
Oh, but former vice president eco event. Not you. It is just natural to have the national executives, regional executives go with him. A party for program Nieko. Sebi asante him ye ni ankoya manyosomo. We went as a party.
Into a party for na mokoye.
Yes, let's not mix the two.
Yeah, but me party say he said virus. Abronye wo hananka or ebia criminal conviction say murder and the done so. Me a party asem I don't think Baumia would allow him to follow his entourage.
No, but you see, Asma Okana, I think we have to interrogate it, because Matibida, I think it was Washington DC MPP meeting, and I make Kobe. Me say me drew any more than share the General Secretary Justin Kudia. Justin, madam, I've known him from Pokua, from Kumasi. We've been. And so we walked in together. Hey, Justin Elba on your camp, because on the virus now that meeting.
Okay.
You see, it is said not because of say internal elections, you know. I can be who minya ewo hono. Menga say, oh, internal elections, it's menga sound kwana.
Okay.
You see, let's not do this to ourselves as a party.
Okay.
Nina kahona ma entity moba. And it's the same thing. Make meeting back. Minya back on or a strong Kennedy. But we've been friends for a long time. Menenet nasi din komonia de obi hu ye okotwa a picture. Hey, she said ya probably say the oka ba on your phone na monhwe ni ye. Say we anya atamfo. And let's not create that environment. Ni na ka ho nema sa wentwi ne inebano. The fact that you support or you don't, you are neutral, does not mean say ushia unuawa bontia pam.
Very
What
well.
am I saying?
Very well. Yo. Nti onimo camp yate will be because somebody will say so onimo camp moon as dissociating mo so amoma ye who say the all cannot I don't know we are happy with utterances not making that.
Asma Mekane said we want everybody in MPP to support us.